You're out in the forest with your buds doing Parks on the Air activation the other day. So hey guys, we're out at the famous Brazos Bend State Park again today. Welcome back to Ham Radio for Non-Techies. And yeah, we're just getting everything set up here. My station is, I call this my executive radio station here. Got it all snazzed out. Got the 7300 out today with the 705. And I got the 891 because my battery hadn't come in yet, so I'm kind of stealing power from inside there to power the good old 7300. We are running the Buddy Stick Pro. So we got the Buddy Stick Pro out here, stabbed for 20 meters. And over here I've got the DX Commander Expedition. So you guys stay tuned. We're going to get get on the air here, get this park activated. Hope to make a bunch of contacts today. Looks like the band is doing pretty good. There's a lot of people out there activating parks today around the country and around the world. And we got beautiful weather out here. It's about 50 something degrees, blue skies and sunshine, and of course alligators. So we'll check back to you guys shortly. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back out here. We're still at the Brazos Bend State Park. Got a couple friends that came out today, and we're getting some more antennas and more radios set up. I've already activated my park, and my buddy over here, WLIC, is currently trying to get his last contact to activate. See what he's got going on over here. You having any luck?
One more, just one more.
One more, huh?
Waiting.
Well, good luck to you. I'll leave you alone so you can do that.
Oh, there it is.
Well, he's got some stuff going on. We think there's another station out here right now, somewhere in the park, that might be trying to activate as well. And I think that they are interfering with our transmissions and stuff. So we're just gonna keep rocking and rolling. We're expecting a couple more people to show up, and hopefully get a good little Parks on the Air party going on out here today. So I'll try to set up something next time and see if you guys want to come out and check it out and come out with come activate with us. Have a lot of fun. And if you don't, even if you're not a general or an extra, you can still come out here and operate one of our radios under our call sign. At least get the experience of trying out doing the activation and getting on HF there. The birds out here keep mocking me. I'm over here sitting here trying to make activations. There's a crow up here decides to pull the whole laughing at me routine. So that's always a lot of fun. All right, guys, so we're still out here at the park and not having a whole lot of luck. We're kind of stuck on 40 meters with all the contesting going on around the country today. 20 meters is just too jammed. It's really hard to get anything in there. There's no clear frequencies whatsoever. And 40 meters is too intermittent. It's kind of off and on, off and on. I'll make a contact every once in a while, and it's got a whole bunch of dead time. So it's been fun, but I think I'm going to keep going and keep trying to get more contacts. I'm up to about 17 now, but that's been 3.5 hours of trying to get 17 contacts. So I will we'll keep rocking and rolling. I'll catch up with you guys soon. Well, guys, I am wrapping up my day here. I've been at the park since 8 o'clock this morning. And I ended the day with 21 contacts, and mostly people, I was on 40 meters because of all the contesting, and so I made most of my contacts were made in Texas, Louisiana, surrounding states and their places. I actually picked up Mike K8MRD at one point, and he was having the same problems. He's out up in Huntsville doing his stuff, and yeah, just it's been a very interesting day, a good learning experience. And what I learned is when there's a big contest going on, don't get on Parks on the Air, or just try to find something else to do that day. Either way, it was fun. But like I said, I'm wrapping things up here. All right, good morning, guys. I'm at Huntsville State Park. Yesterday, I was out over in Brazos Bend State Park trying to do a POTA activation. I pulled it off. I got 20 contacts, but it took a lot longer than normal to do that. Due to all the contest that was going on 20 meters yesterday. So I thought I'd try my luck, and they say if you're having problems with POTA, go visit the POTA King or the POTA Daddy, K8MRD. And so I'm out here at the Huntsville State Park hoping to get that done today. So I get out here and it's empty. Ain't nobody around. So we're going to try and pull off what they say in legend about POTA Daddy. If you want to improve your chances of activating another park, you have to have the POTA Daddy here. So to do that, you have to go find a tree in the park. And this only works in Huntsville State Park. You got to go to Huntsville State Park, you find a tree, and you're supposed to rub it 3 times and snap your fingers, and POTA Daddy will appear, and you'll get to do POTA. So let's give it a shot here. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and you see, guys, I told you, just like that, look what happens.
Hi, Mom.
He shows up. So the legend is true, and it works. Okay, guys, so for similar from yesterday, we're setting up the DX Commander Expedition, which we have over here. And we got the chameleon child lefts up in the tree there somewhere. So it's pretty similar to what I had yesterday. I wasn't running the child on my setup yesterday. I just had the KM4 ACK and the DX Commander Expedition. So we're going to get on the radio and make some contacts.
K3019, CQ POTA, standing by.
Kilo Echo 8, Mike Oscar, India.
Kilo Echo 8, Mike Oscar, India.
Roger, Roger, 5-9 into Battle Creek, Michigan, QSL.
Thank you very much. You are 5151 in South Texas at Park K3019 QSL.
Roger, Roger, thank you.
Thank you very much for the contact. 73 QRZ.
CQ POTA, standing by.
Kilo 9, Echo Lima, Mike.
Kilo 9 Echo Lima Mike. You are 5757 in South Texas QSL.
QSL, I've got you 5-8, 5x8 in Wisconsin.
Thank you very much for the 58 in Wisconsin. Have a great day. 73.
7-3. Kilo 4, Romeo X-Ray Lima.
Kilo 4 Radio X-Ray Lima. You are 5555 in South Texas QSL.
QSL, you're 5-9, 59 into Virginia, Victor Alpha.
Thank you very much for the contact. Have a great day. 73.
It's just that area.
Kilo Delta 9, Delta Zulu Tango.
Kilo Delta 9 station, come back. Kilo Delta 9 station, come back.
Kilo Delta 9, Delta Zulu Tango.
Kilo Delta 9 Delta Zulu Tango. You are 5252 into South Texas QSL.
QSL, you are 5555 into Wisconsin. Thanks for being out there. Good luck in the activation. And 7-3. This is Kilo Delta 9 Delta Zulu Tango.
Thank you very much for the contact and in the log there today. 73 QRZ.
Kilo Echo 8, Kilo Mike X-Ray.
Kilo Echo 8. Kilo Echo 8 station, come back.
Kilo Echo 8, Kilo Mike X-Ray.
Kilo Echo 8, Kilo Mike X-Ray.
Roger, Roger. I'm going to give you a 5-5, a 5-5 into West Virginia.
You are 5757 in the South Texas at Park K3019 QSL.
QSL. Yeah, you go from a 5-9 to like a 2-2 back to a 5-5. So anyway, hey, thanks for activating. Have a great day. And 73.
Thank you very much for the for the contact. 73. Well, guys, we're wrapping it up today. I ended the day with 35 QSOs. I reached some states I never got to before, so that was really, really cool. And of course, you know, following the legend and rubbing the magic tree made Mike appear, and POTA worked. So just keep going out there.
Disappear?
Say what?
If you rub it again, do I disappear?
Nah, apparently, you can't rub it again, make him disappear. But when he shows up, you got to help him break everything down. That ensures that the legend continues for the next people.
Yeah. You have to wind the cords right, too.
And you have to wind the cords right. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you hanging out with me for a little bit here, and had a great day today. It's beautiful weather once again. Got another big cold front coming through next week. It's going to drop down in the 40s, so it'll be fun. But I'll catch you guys back in the studio. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so that was kind of an interesting 2 days. Like I said, we went to Brazos-Bend State Park on Saturday, and because of all the contesting and everything else, the bands are really just crapped up with people, and It was really hard. We were stuck on 40 meters most of the time. I did manage to get 20 contacts, but it took like 5.5 hours, right? So Sunday, today, and for Halloween, I wanted to get my Halloween show in with a little bit of humor. Hope you enjoyed the humor there. Went to Huntsville and hung out with Mike up there, and we did a POTA activation up there, and we had 3 of us up there. It was myself, Kay at MRD, and Ham Solo, and we're up there just having fun, talking, talking shop, talking radio, and making contacts, and we all made quite a few contacts. I ended with 35 contacts today, and I actually reached Jason, Ham Radio 2.0, and a couple other guys down there in Costa Rica. We caught them out towards the end of our activation. Caught them on there, and they had their beam pointing towards us. We all passed the mic around and made contacts there. Had a couple what they call twofers. We had people, I guess, are in 2 different parks that overlap each other. Got a couple of those back to back. That was kind of fun. But overall, it was just a good day. Just a great day to be outside. The fresh, crisp, forest air. Nothing really beats that smell and that feel out there in the forest. It's just pretty awesome. But anyway, guys, I don't want to make this drag out any longer than it has. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you had a safe Halloween weekend. And I will catch you guys next week for some more shows from Ham Radio for Non-Techies. Until then, you guys stay cool, stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. 73s.